Hey there. Ever had a folder full of files on your Mac and thought, ugh, I wish I could rename all of these at once? Well, you can. In this video, I'll show you how to batch rename multiple files on a Mac using built-in features. No apps, no extra downloads. Let's start with the easiest method, using Finder. First, open Finder and navigate to the folder that contains the files you want to rename. Click the first file, then hold Shift and click the last file to select a range. Or if you only want specific files, hold Command and click each one individually. Once they're highlighted, your selected files are ready to rename. Next, right-click or Control-click on any one of the selected files. From the menu, click Rename X items, where X is the number of files you selected. This opens the Batch Rename dialog. Now comes the fun part. In this dialog, you'll see three main ways to rename your files. The first option is Replace Text. This lets you replace part of an existing file name with something else. For example, you can replace IMG with vacation. This is great for fixing naming conventions on photos or documents that already have similar names. The second option is Add Text. This lets you add text before or after the existing file name. For example, you could add 2026 after each file name to mark the year. This works really well when you want to tag or label a group of files without changing their original names too much. The third option is Format. This one fully renames your files using a base name plus a number or a date. For example, Vacation 1, Vacation 2, Vacation 3. You can choose options like Name and Index, Name and Counter, or Name and Date. This is perfect when you want everything to follow the same clean pattern for better organization. Once you've chosen your option and set the pattern you want, click Rename. Instantly, all your selected files update with the new names. Before you click Rename, it's always a good idea to double-check the preview in the dialog just to avoid any mistakes. Now, if you're working on bigger projects or you need to rename files the same way again and again, there's a more advanced option using Automator. Open Launchpad, search for Automator, and open it. Click New Document, then choose Workflow. In Automator, use the search bar to find Rename Finder items. Drag that action into the Workflow area. Automator may ask if you want to copy Finder items first. This is recommended, especially if you want to keep the original files safe. Next, set your rename options. You can choose things like add date or time, add text or replace text, and configure them based on your batch naming goal. Automator is especially useful if you often rename files using the same pattern. When you're ready, click Run at the top right. Select the files you want to rename when prompted and watch as all the files are renamed automatically. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips. Always preview before you rename, so you can catch mistakes early. If the files are important, consider making a copy first. Use consistent naming because it really helps with sorting and searching later. And remember, Finder is perfect for quick changes, while Automator is better for repeatable tasks. And that's it. You now know how to batch rename multiple files on your Mac, either quickly through Finder or in a more advanced way using Automator. If this video helped you save time, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which Mac trick you want me to cover next.